Should I wait to buy a property or should I buy it now if I have the possibility to do so? Especially if it is your first home, I really believe that it is in your best interest to buy today rather than waiting for the best rates. Why? The best rates or the lower rates, they tend to push asset values up. What happens when the Bank of Canada starts decreasing the rates, for example? That is a signal to everyone that is now the time to go out buying. So now you go out with everybody else, with a crowd, to look for that property. You find the one you like, guess what? There's 3, 4, or 5 other groups making an offer too. How do you win? Well, in a multiple offer scenario, you win only with a higher price, or you have to reduce your budget simply because what you were thinking of buying before is now out of your reach, simply because now you can't compete. So how does a relatively higher interest rate help you save money and help you get into that home you like? Let me show you. So let's say you have a household income of 150K, $50,000 in savings, and you're currently renting for $2,000 per month. You could buy today and easily qualify for a purchase amount of $650,000. With a down payment of $50K, your total mortgage is $624,000. This includes mortgage insurance whenever your down payment is less than 20%. On a 25-year amortization, 5-year fixed, a very regular rate these days, $499, monthly payments of $3,626. Now imagine the scenario where you continue sitting on the fence and you wait for the rates to drop. Let's say that's 8 months. And speculatively, let's say that the rates have dropped to 4%. Now you're facing multiple offers. So to win that property, now you have to pay $700,000. Your down payment stays the same, but your total mortgage is $52,000 higher. You have to pay $52,000 more over the life of that loan for that property. Your total monthly payment is $35.56. It is $70,000 less than in the previous scenario. But what is your cost of waiting? What is your actual cost of having waited those 8 months? You paid rent for another 8 months, which is $16,000, and the property value went up by $50,000, and your mortgage is $52,000 higher just to be able to purchase. So your total cost of waiting is $68,000. And this doesn't even count the fact that if you had bought earlier, your property would have increased in value to the $700,000 level 8 months later, 1 year later, right? So it's not just costing you more simply because you're waiting, you're also losing out on the appreciation of that property simply because you waited. So there you have it. That is my take on this question. Should I buy now or wait? If you're a first-time buyer, if you have the possibility to buy today, my strong recommendation is do it the moment that you can.